Hello everybody, this is Doug from Darkwater North. Got the Camillus Chasse 1928-5, made out of that Oz 8 steel, a Japanese stainless steel, as good as any. And it's a fairly bulky knife, as you can see. It's about I guess 7 3/4 inches long, all said and done, with about a 3 1/4 inch blade with a 4 1/2 inch handle. It's got a nice hole for the lanyard, an ergonomic handle here, a little bit of an unusual styled blade. When I first looked at it, it is kind of different, right? But you got it in your hand, it just seems like you can hold back here, you can hold here, you can move up here, you can move up here, and you can move up even farther. So it's very versatile. Comfortable in your hand. The liner lock has a little tab on it, so it's just easier to get a hold of. The flipper flips it out, not bad at all. It does have dual thumb studs, as you can see. A little tight, I'd say, but you can still flip it open quite quickly with that. But the flipper on the back here is the most convenient way to get that open. You got a reversible pocket clip. You can put it on this side. You can carry it on this side. It has a little like dagger insignia on it. It's pretty neat. And then the handle, robust, as you can see, and some pins in there, and it's got the little torque locks. Now that's a pretty heavy handle, and it's not skeletonized at all. And it's like glass reinforced nylon here with this inlay of a rubber textured material, and it's really grippy in the hand, and it keeps your hand in place. A little burn on the pocket clip there, but nothing major, you know. Like, it's got a shovel hollow grind on it, the drop point, a little fuller here, and overall it's a nice little blade. Got a few materials here. You can just see how it peels that leather, no problem. It'll cut through that, no problem. And to give you a little, here's the SOG traction. I have another video on that for a size comparison. And for the thickness, you can see how this one is obviously a lot thicker. So it does appear a little bulky in the pocket, or feel that way. And but this one is it's just very versatile, I find. Now, as far as this is that heavy duty tarpaulin that you might come across in your daily activities and construction site, this knife just slice like butter through it, eh? No problem. Paper as well. We're not going to have any problem cutting that. Same with cardboard. Just chops it up easy. Leather, cardboard. Could you find yourself using it in the woods? Look at that, eh? And then if you just put a little pressure here, whoops, EDC. Put that back up. And as you can see, it'll chop up this wood, no problem. So the Camillus Chasse. You can get it on sale right now on $25.99 at Canadian Tire. I mean, it's a good little robust pocket knife, and I'd recommend buying it. I like the liner lock with the thumb tab there. It makes it very convenient to get your hands on it, get your thumb in there, and then that little flick of the wrist, and it's out. Get you a good look at it here. Hold it up. It's a nice looking knife, and it's definitely robust, strong knife, and very versatile. Check it out. Thanks for watching. This is Doug from Darkwater North saying good evening and good day. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. Right down here there'll be a button. Tap that subscribe button and subscribe. All right. You have a great day, and talk to you later.